Belize Barrier Reef in the Caribbean Sea. It's one of the most biologically diverse places in the world, and when we looked at it from space, we saw a spot, a massive dark circle almost perfectly round over 318 meters in diameter. It is the Great Blue Hole, one of the wonders of the world's oceans. But why is it so deep blue? What lurks beneath this water? And why do locals associate this place with mystical creatures? The Great Blue Hole was formed during the last ice age, when sea levels were much lower compared to today. It was during this period that mammoths and other ancient creatures that inhabited the Earth began to die out from the cold. As the ice melted during the end of the Ice Age, sea levels rose. The water began to flood the limestone cave system that had been formed many thousands of years ago. The caves flooded by the water eventually collapsed, causing the formation of a huge sea sinkhole that still attracts attention today. It is worth noting that the Great Blue Hole has only recently gained its popularity. The greatest influence on its popularization was Jacques-Yves Cousteau, when in 1972, he personally descended to the bottom of this wonder of the world and declared the Great Blue Hole the best place to diving. The deep blue color of the water is due to its depth and transparency. The site has a tremendous depth of over 125 meters, 410 feet, which creates a dramatic contrast of shades of blue and makes it look like a deep blue, especially at certain viewing angles and views from above. This creates an amazing visual effect that attracts underwater enthusiasts and scientists who are eager to study this unique historic site. The waters of the Great Blue Hole are home to several species of sharks, including the Caribbean reef shark, seal shark, and white shark. These sea creatures attract divers with their majestic appearance and caution. The variety of marine fish is also great, with caranks, tropical moray eels, and many colorful and exotic species found in the adjacent reefs and corals. But Belizean locals say these waters are home to mystical creatures. They believe that at the bottom of the pit lives Lusca. This creature is 60 meters long and resembles a shark crossed with an octopus. Of course, it is a fictional creature, but it helps to scare children when they don't want to sleep at night. All in all, the Great Blue Hole is a true natural wonder that can be studied for a long time and admired even longer.